Okay, the event is only few hours away and we have something really awesome. Now, I want to say something. Google's promo actually isn't showing you the exact color. The hazel color of the Pixel 7 Pro looks amazing. And now we have a full hands-on video of the Pixel 7 Pro that we've only seen in most probably obsidian color in full hazel color, and it looks gorgeous. Now if you're thinking of what's inside the box, then it's typically the same as the Pixel 6 Pro, the adapter, the USB-C cable, and that's it, the manuals. That is also confirmed by Google's another promo material leak. Here we're going to talk about the Pixel 7 Pro. I mean, just look at it. Now, not just that, if you are thinking there is one big upgrade that we probably are not looking at it right now, is that the frame and also the camera bar that are blend together made out of stainless steel, which is actually much more solid and stronger and scratch resistant than the aluminum you can find inside the Pixel 7. And that's the only reason why it's glossy too. And yes, the Pixel 7's camera bar is gonna be the matte finish one. And if you want to see a full unboxing of the Pixel Watch, then I will definitely link down below my video on this channel. You can check out that one. Now there are going to be two more color options. We have already seen the obsidian color, but the snow color options is something that we haven't seen, but we have a photo from Google's promo material that shows it pretty clearly how good it will look like. It is just so crazy to think about. Now this whole hazel color is kind of like a rose gold finish on the frame and the camera bar, and everything else is colored in sage green, let's call it, that you've probably seen on the Pixel 5, I guess. Now this clip is really small to even look at for anything else. Now the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro will have actually one big software feature, and that is the portrait video. They will call it something like motion video blur. This is actually like the portrait mode for the videos. And all of that thanks to Tensor G2 chip. This year, the CPU upgrades are going to be very minor, about 10% of an improvement, because the clock speed of the Cortex A76 cores and the Cortex X1 cores are going to be higher, but nothing else. But the GPU will get a massive boost, about 20% more power efficient and 20% more powerful GPU in the form of a Mali G17 GPU instead of Mali G78 on the original Tensor. Like now, you will be able to take 30x hybrid zoom on the Pixel 7 Pro and 8x hybrid zoom on the Pixel 7. So tell me in the comment section, if you are buying the Pixel 7 Pro, then what color you're gonna choose? And do you know that you're probably gonna get a Pixel Watch for free? If you want to know more about that, then definitely check out this video on my channel. And before the outro, here's one big important thing. Trust me, this is the best freaking wallpaper pack I have ever created. This is the Agate Series 3 wallpaper pack. This wallpaper pack has 18 super high resolution 8K wallpapers custom made for your tablets, laptops, and your smartphones. You can visit the link in the description below to check out, or simply visit my website johndavid.com for a lot more than these wallpapers, tech news, and so many stuffs. So yeah, definitely visit it. Until the next one, bye and take care.